On today's date, Amanda goes for a jump.
Who is that stranger coming towards me?
That was so good. Oh, that was a good one. That was so good.
Starting off our journey, we headed to the backyard arroyo for the beginning of this motorcycle date, and then strolled around a little bit, enjoying the view.
Perfect, and then we have this little area where we can turn around.
Also, we have microphone setups in our helmets, so occasionally you'll hear me talking to Amanda.
Look at that. There you go, now give it some speed. Yay! Slow down, you're alright. Good job, baby. You did great. So I'm gonna have you just try and like ride it right here, okay?
The sand in the riverbed tunnels is a dangerous animal, known to attack by trying to drive you into the wall. So being a noble man, I take the risk for us both. Motorcycle night. Me.
Whew. How you doing? Who is that stranger coming towards me? With the bubble head. I love you. Good afternoon, sir. Okay, go ahead and stop right here, my love. That was fun. Follow along.
After some quick relaxation in the shade, we head over to the racetrack to practice our jumps.
Okay, start walking, my love. Yeah. We will. Nice, let's do another lap. Give it the beat. There you go. Nice job.
After a couple hours of driving around, enjoying the scenery, racing the racetrack, hitting a few jumps, and well, just blatantly enjoying ourselves, we decided to finally head back because my God, this is tiring. And then I decided to let this shirtless man ride my 450, and he drove off pulling a wheelie. My God, he's good. Just kidding, this is my neighbor, and he's actually really, really good with motorcycles. Well, thanks for coming by, everybody. We hope you enjoyed the video. And do you know how hard it is to drive backwards like this? It took us like 17 takes to get this right. Please, drop us a like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.